Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to take a photo on your MacBook. You might not know this, but macOS has a built-in app called Photo Booth. You can simply open Spotlight Search by pressing Command Space and type in Photo Booth. When you launch the app, you'll have the option to either take a photo or record a video. For the photo option, just click the red camera icon right in the center. The app will do a quick 3-second countdown and snap a picture for you. From here, you can right-click on the image, select Export, choose your destination, and hit Save. The photo will be saved to the folder you selected. Alternatively, you can select one or multiple photos right here, click the Share icon, and then send them via Messages, AirDrop, or just Add to Photos. If you want to keep shooting, just click the camera icon again. Now, if you want to capture a burst of photos, specifically a 4-up collage, click this icon right here. When you hit the shutter, it's going to take 4 pictures in a row. If you use an iPhone and it's signed into the same iCloud account as your MacBook, go to the Camera menu. Instead of the default MacBook webcam, you can actually select your iPhone camera. Just like that, your iPhone transforms into your Mac's webcam. Now, if you are actually looking for how to take a screenshot instead of a photo, you can check out my other video where I cover every single way to capture your screen on macOS. I'll leave the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.